Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. In this video, I'm going to be trying on a bunch of different wigs from different eras from different stores. As always, timestamps are going to be in the description below. If you're looking for a specific piece of information, it's there. And while you're here, why not subscribe?
Baby, that's my crew. On a weekday with crew, I'm ready to blow. We make it look real easy, but trust you'll never know. We icing out your freezer, ain't no doubt.
So this wig is very Marie Antoinette, obviously, like a pink cotton candy Marie Antoinette dream. This is from Showgirl Vanities, which is an Etsy shop that I absolutely love. A lot of drag queens do use Showgirl Vanities. The hair is absolutely voluminous and stunning and gorgeous, and it feels like I'm serving some Marie Antoinette realness, and I need someone to invite me to a ball ASAP. The way that this is constructed is absolutely stunning. My one little tiny critique is I wish the bobby pins, which you can see one right here, were pink, so that way you can't really see them. The way that this is styled is just absolutely stunning. I think I want to have like a masquerade for my 30th, but it's just so gorgeous. I saw this wig at the Selkie fashion show and it was absolutely stunning, and I was like, I gotta get that. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. Showgirl Vanities did the Victorian era justice. The ringlets, the wigs, the absolute precision to this wig is just super astounding and stunning. It shipped fast once it was made. It took like a couple days to arrive. She does take around 4 to 6 weeks to make the wigs, but she does everything on her own. I give this wig a beautiful freaking 7 out of 5 because I am that much impressed with it. So next up, we're gonna go more towards Hollywood glam. Let's go put that on.
That's my crew. That's my crew. That's my crew. Tell 'em that's my crew. Screaming that's my crew.
So this is the beautiful and stunning like Hollywood 50s vibe from Necia Hairstyling. Now she doesn't really name her wigs per se, so if this is something that you're interested in from her, you just basically submit an inquiry with what you would like and she gets back to you and you get it within a couple of months. But this is absolutely stunning. I thought about doing a colored 50s wig, but then I also was like, just normal Hollywood waves are so hard for my hair to come by, and I know that this is black hair and I have dark brown hair, but I definitely feel like anytime I want to have Hollywood waves, bam, just throw on a wig. I love how much this looks like with my pink Selkie dress. I think that this brings the drama, the romance, the beauty. I just feel like I was transported back into the 1950s and I'm a Hollywood starlet about to star in a romance drama. But the construction and the style of this wig is absolutely phenomenal, and obviously I'm gonna give her a 7 out of 5 because it's just so stunning and beautiful, and definitely one of my favorite wigs I own.
Baby, that's my crew. That's my crew. That's my crew. That's my crew. Tell 'em that's my crew. Screaming that's my crew.
So this is a beautiful pink wig from Synthetic Behavior. Synthetic Behavior, I just want to say, has amazing customer service. I had a problem with my wig and she fixed it right away, no hesitation, which made me feel really warm. So I would be happy to be a repeat customer again in the future. But it's definitely really, really cute. I love pink. Obviously, if you have not noticed by my channel at this point, I'm a pink fanatic. I paired this with a light pale blue dress from Pretty Dress Company. Actually, it was white and I dyed it because I like the pale blue better. But I think that this is a really, really cute look. And I give it a 5 out of 5.
Baby, that's my crew. That's my crew. That's my crew. That's my crew. Tell 'em that's my crew. Screaming that's my crew. Baby, that's my crew.
Okay, Okay, so this is a wig that is definitely reminiscent of the 60s. I guess you can kind of put it into the 70s as well, but it definitely gives me fembot vibes. So if you're trying to go for that fembot style, I definitely recommend this. This is from Necia Hairstyling. Now, all of these are handmade, so if you request something, it's gonna take some time, but honestly, it's really worth it. The quality of this wig is so cute, and I'm so partial to blue wigs. In another world, I would have blue hair all the time, but it's just not really practical for me to get that styled and upkeep it and just like tone it all the time. So I really love that I can just achieve my blue dreams with this blue wig right here. It's so freaking cute and extremely feminine. It just feels really, really, really nice. She did come with this like bluish bow, which I'll put here. This is what it looked like. I added my own white bow instead just because, I don't know, I just wanted a little bit bigger. And then I paired it with this pink dress. You could do a whole blue like monochromatic moment. I think that that works well. So white, black, pretty much neutral. But I think with the pink, it adds like this really cool, fun, flirty like element to it. This is my first time ever purchasing from Necia Hairstyling, and I must say, wow, love it. I love the waves she comes out with. The waves that she does is just magic. Truly, truly, truly magic. She will have some ready to order stuff that basically kind of put like post notifications on, because when she posts something on Instagram, typically you can buy it on the website, but there's just one. So if you see something, get it, grab it, because it's not gonna be there most likely. When I saw this wig, immediately I put it into my cart because I was like, wow, this is so cute. The way that I did my eye makeup right here is I kind of just did like a late 60s, early 70s look where it just has like the double eyeliner, and I think that that matched well together and paired really nicely. But I'm going to show you guys the other 60s wig that I have.
That's my crew. That's my crew. That's my crew. Tell 'em that's my crew. Screaming that's my crew.
So this is the Priscilla wig from Showgirl Vanities. This is something that you can order on the Etsy shop sometimes. It takes about 2 months for her to make it and ship it out. Now this is definitely serving like beehive realness. I feel like if you're gonna be Priscilla Presley, you're cosplaying her, you're channeling her, this is definitely the wig for you. Actually tie out the front a little bit just to kind of have a little bit of that like half up, half down look. So if it looks a little bit different than what you see on product images, that's why. I actually wore this wig on my 28th birthday right here, and it was definitely serving like 60s realness. It's so, so cute and extremely long, which I love. It's so cute. I definitely feel myself wearing this wig in the future again. I got this dress from a thrift store. I'm pretty sure it was from the era itself because I do not recognize the brand whatsoever, but it's super cute. I love collars that are like this, but honestly, like Showgirl Vanity Wigs, another brand that's just absolutely beautiful and stunning. A lot of drag queens use her. She does a lot of stuff from various eras, as you saw the Marie Antoinette wig. So I think if you have a wig that you're brainstorming for and kind of want a custom look, Showgirl Vanities is definitely a store that I would recommend doing that, because she's just really, really good at being imaginative. And she doesn't only do era pieces, she does stuff that's like based off of Erica Jane, J-Lo, Kim Kardashian. But yeah, definitely give this wig a 5 out of 5.
Baby, that's my crew.
Solo dolo, cause some people let you down. I'm yelling for some loyalty, they never make a sound. I met a few that spoil me, they'll always stay around. Been trying to be a baller, people take it out of bounds. Trying to make it where it counts, stay surrounded by champs. Had to go and think it out, then it happened by chance. From the bottom to the top, like we rolling up rims, spend a fortune on it.
Okay, so you guys, what a way to end. I think this is definitely my favorite wig out of all of them, and that's really hard to say because I will tell you that this collection right here that we're watching is my favorite collection of wigs. They are my babies pretty much, and I love this one so much. It's definitely giving 70s vibes. Necia does an amazing job with hair. I literally just put post notifications on because whenever she has a wig ready to ship, I'm on it, you know? She did this collaboration with Hood, but they were a little pricey for me, so I just settled for a small one that I found on Etsy that I also really like. Super, super duper cute. This wig is definitely like a 7 out of 5 for me. It has that little poof at the top and really long waves that's just So cute. It looks extremely natural. My hair is dark. That's why I went with this one, because I thought people would think, oh wow, she styled her hair to look like that. No, it's a wig. It's pretty much always a wig, just saying. So that concludes my video. I hope you guys found this video super fun and informational, and if you did, please hit the like button. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other wig hauls right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!
Go natural, cold.